I'm so sick and tired of the Crusaders at Rock Nord. And I really want to know from the biking community, is this the message or the image that you guys want to send out to the public? Guys, you know what? On a random Saturday, I get a message from a familiar woman who not only tells me to fuck off, that's after I taught her how to spell, but also challenging me and telling me, come to this jaw. So, guys, I've got a problem with this for many, many reasons. My first problem is when you actually challenge me and you call me out and you tell me come here and I reply and I tell you please send me a location and you don't. Why are you even challenging me? Okay, for the English, the first message is ach fuck off, come to a real jaw, and then the woman's name and surname. Secondly, what type of biker group has a day jaw, and apparently it was a big one, and gets drunk, and by 6 o'clock afternoon you're like, now we want to go have a fight with a journalist. Because fuck off doesn't suggest we're gonna have a tea party now, does it? And the cock with this is they do it every time. Okay? They drink, they go out to pubs, and then they look for fights. This is not the first time that the familiar women have been misbehaving themselves. You guys might recollect that viral video where we had women fully dressed in crusader patches or familiar patches making a scene in public. Okay? And then afterwards, blaming me for taking a video and posting it online. But Karen, I mean, if you misbehave yourself in public, okay, obviously someone's gonna have a problem with it. And unfortunately for you guys, I was at the right time at the right place that day. Since then, the bullying, the intimidation, the wara has not stopped. So my question to the biking community at large is it acceptable for women, familiar women, to keep conducting themselves in this manner? Now we always hear these stories, blah, 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 bikers aren't bad, they are doctors, they are this, they are school teachers. My problem is when the school teachers and whoever they are get drunk and start making cock with the public. And I mean, guys, this happens over and over and over. Like Mary Novik was my beard. That's fuck all. I mean, where in your life do you get women sitting on social media discussing biking rules, the biking culture, and fighting over clubs? I mean, should you not be focusing on your own club?
Ek sal dit stop, maar ek sê jy wanneer gaan ek dit stop? Wanneer jy die Crusaders se naam in ere kom herstel, deur vir ons die bewyse te bring van die kak wat jy kwyt geraak.
And to the clubs out there, who is in charge? I mean, surely when you have a biking club, let's say you're from the flippin' cushion tuckers or you are the Max, in my point of view, should there not be someone that makes sure that the biking protocol and the club regulations aren't upheld? Because surely you guys can't be proud of that type of behavior. I mean, I want to know, is this the message or the image that you guys want the public to see? Do you want the public to see that every weekend there is a fight in a bar? Every other day there's a fight on social media? Where is the pride in the club? Where is the pride in the name? I mean, look, I'm not sure what familia is supposed to stand for. In my opinion, it is like the family chapter of the club, the family-friendly chapter. But how come it is the familia that is constantly putting a club's name in a bad light?
So is daar enige familia goals wat graag vir Mariski 'n boodskap het? En Mariska, jy is nou op jou eie.
I mean, are you guys proud of seeing your members on every second video gedraaing themselves like that? I mean, is this what the Crusaders familial group is about? Can you please answer me that? Is this what the familias are all about? And for those of you who are new here, this all started because I said that there is a biking war going on in South Africa.
Nee, Leonard nie, ek hardop nie weg nie, maar op hierdie stadium my besigheid lê hier onder.
And ever since then, I have been bombarded and I have been attacked and not by any other club, guys. Not the Max, not the Hells Angels, not any other club in South Africa has done this except the Crusaders, and it's the Crusader familia in general. And guys, I also want to take this opportunity to say, I am well aware that not all the Crusaders are, how do I say this nicely? I know not all the Crusader members, right, conduct themselves like this. I know that there are some bikers that take pride not only in their bikes, in their patches, but in the way they conduct themselves. You know, I know there are many bikers out there that are so proud of their brotherhood and their clubs that they would never in their life put the club's name in such a bad light by constantly picking fights on social media, okay, and off social media.
Jy maak ooit geprospek.
Luister as jy jou fucking maas en my, wat weet jy van Prospect af?
And correct me if I'm wrong. If there are other clubs out there that intimidate the public, that try and intimidate the media,
Want hoekom stuur mense my nog?
op die legal license.
that fight in public,
Built from the hustle. Compadres.
show me, because this is my personal experience. And for those of you that keep on asking, why do you want to do a story about the biking club, blah, blah, blah. Why does a fish swim? Because it's made to swim. I'm a journalist. I eat, breathe, and talk stories. Instead of picking fights with a journalist, trying to DM them and challenge them, this is my challenge to you guys. How about you conduct yourself in a manner, where you don't end up landing into the media and where you don't put your own club's name in disgrace. How about that? Last but not least, there is a biker war in South Africa,
Daar is nie 'n war nie. Ek glo nie daaraan nie.
and there's nothing that nobody can do about it or sweep it under a carpet or intimidate a journalist until they give up, because I'm not going to give up. But there's this saying that goes, don't shoot the messenger because you don't like the message.